Right now, we put the walls on the side here. As you can see, just screwed them into the wall. And then we put that water bucket there, actively filling it with water right now. And then we got this one right here. Got to fill that one up with water still. And then just got this cattle panel wired up there. Because what we're going to do now is the calf right there, we got to catch her and put her in here to start the weaning process. So we got to separate her from the mom, which is actually eating some food right now. Right there. Well, hey, girl. Thank you. So we're going to trap the calf in here for a couple hours a day and then gradually increase. And that will give us more milk for ourselves to drink, as well as so we can sell it to our customers. And simultaneously, we're going to be feeding our calf some, starter grain and different things to get her used to not feeding off of her mom all the time. So starting the weaning process and then filling up these buckets of water there. So it adds a little bit of support on the side. So that way, if the calf pushes that way or that way towards the front, it won't just pop all these screws out, and it'll provide some weight over there on the sides, because she already can't push out this way. She could push out that way on the gate, so I got to make sure those things are pretty tight. And then, but I don't want her pushing basically right here and causing it, to really lunge that way and pop all the screws out. So that's what I'm doing now, waiting for that to fill and getting kisses and loving by Sophie. This is Auntie Sophie. So she's I think 2 or 3 years old now. She's a good cow. She's a really good cow. We got to get her bred, but the guy that we normally use for artificial insemination doesn't drive up to this new area that we're at. It's too far of a drive for him. We've used him in the past before, and that's how we got the calf from her mom. But yeah, it's just what we do. Alrighty, short video. Looks like it's only a little over 4 minutes long. Talk to you guys later. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a good day.